and welcome to this series. We're going to be looking at how to find the equation of line when we're given a slope and a point. So let's dive into it straight away. Let's look at the first example. We have to find the equation of line which passes through point 2, 5 with the slope of 2. In order to find this, first we need the general formula which is for the equation of line, and that is y equals mx plus b. Cool. The second thing we need to do is to write out what we are given. From the question, we are given the point 2, 5. So the 2 stands for the x, while the 5 for the coordinate y. And then we're also given the slope. The slope in this case is our m. Our m is 2. Okay, so all we need to do is to substitute the slope and this coordinate 2, 5. We substitute it into the equation of line that we have here right here. So the position of the y, we're going to write 5 there, and so we have 5 equals to, our m is 2, so we write 2 there, 2 multiplied by, so we could use a bracket as a multiplication. Then for the x that we have here, our s is 2, so we put that 2 in bracket plus b. So what we're doing right here, we want to get the intercept first. So this is 5 equals to 2 times 2. That will give us 4. So we have 4 plus b. So we collect like 10. 4 goes to meet the 5. And so we have 5 minus 4 equals b. And then 1 equals b. So b is 1. So we've gotten it that our y-intercept is 1. So all we need to do next is to now write the equation of line. So equation of line becomes, so all you need to do now to write this equation of line, you're going to substitute only the slope and the intercept that you have gotten. You substitute only the slope and the intercept into the general formula of equation of line. That's this formula. So it means you write the y, you keep that, you write the s, you keep that as is, then you substitute m and b that you have gotten, you substitute that, and so we're going to have y equals to, our m is 2, so you write 2x, then we have to substitute the 2 for m, then we have plus our b, we got that to be 1. So our equation of line here is simply y equals 2x plus 1. That's the final answer. Let's look at the next example. Find the equation of line which passes through point minus 4, 6 with the slope of half. Okay, so to solve this question, we'll first of all write the general equation of line down, which is y equals mx plus b. Okay, the next thing, let's write the point that it passes through. The point that it passes through is minus 4, 6. Okay, we identify the x and y coordinate here. So our x coordinate here is minus 4 and the y coordinate is 6. Okay, so we are given the slope to be half. Okay, our slope m is half. Okay, so all we need to do is to substitute this coordinate of s and y and substitute this m, which is half, into the equation of line. And so we have it like this. Our y is 6, so we write 6 equals to, our m is half, so we write half. Then we put open bracket. We're going to put the x into an open bracket. So the s is minus 4, then plus b. Okay, so 2 can 2 into 1, 2 can go in the 4 to give 2, so we have minus 2 there. And so we have 6 equals to 1 times minus 2, that will give us minus 2 over 1, which is minus 2 plus b. Then we collect like terms. This minus 2 comes to the left, and we have 6 plus 2 equals b. So our 8 is b. So b, our y-intercept, is 8. Okay, so the next thing we need to do now is to substitute back our m and the intercept into the equation of line. And to do that, y equals to ms plus b. So anywhere we see m, we're going to put our half there. So we write like this: y equals to half x, and anywhere we see b, we're going to write our 8 there, plus 8. So this could be our final answer. The reason why I'm saying that, you can see now that we could actually go further than this. We could stop here, or we could go further than this. If we need to go further than this, all we need to do is to check how many fractions do we have here. We have one fraction, which is the half x. So and the denominator of that fraction is 2. All we need to do is to make that denominator the LCM. If we have two fractions, we are to take the denominator of the two fractions and use it to determine what will be the LCM. That's the lowest common multiple. Okay, so but in this scenario, since we have only one fraction, we could take that 2, which is the denominator, as our LCM. So we're going to say multiply through by 2, multiply through by 2, and so we're going to have 2 times y equals to 2 times half x plus 2 times 8, like this. So we're going to have 2y here, 2 times y, 2y equals to 2 cancel 2 here. So we have 1s remaining, and 1s is the same thing as s, so we write x, then plus 2 times 8, that is 16. So what we have here is 2y equals to s plus 16. Or sometimes it could be written like this: 2y minus x equals to 16. So it could come on the three versions. It could come on the first version, which is y equals to half x plus 8. Maybe you're doing an objective question, maybe in SAT. It could also come like this: 2y equals s plus 16. Or you could see the answer as 2y minus s equals to 16. So your own is to figure out, when you arrive at your last answer, to figure out which one will lead to the very correct answer. Okay, we've done a good job for ourselves. Well done.